everybody, it is June 6th, 2012, and this is a Wednesday at 12:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what I decided to do here is record minute by the minute crude oil for you. That's crude oil versus the US dollar. And I've got my second wind here, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the mechanics on crude oil. So sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, it's 84.90 and it's going to 84.89. It's already reached it. It's trying to go to 84.88 now. It's 84.89. It needs to go to 84.88. There you go. 84.89 is reached. Just bear with me, we're at 84.89. Nothing major yet. Next to drop a little bit. Back to 84.89. 84.88. There you go, 84.88 is reached. We're looking for 84.87. 84.87 is reached. I'm calculating this stuff, it's going. So you have to really pay attention here. It's just playing around with one digit numeric so far. It's playing between 80.89 to 84.90. Wants to go back down to 84.89. just reached 84.88. It once dropped to 87, 84.87. It needs to drop to 84.87. That's it. It's at 84.89. It needs to drop to, there you go, there's 88. It needs to drop to 87, 84.87. And folks, what you are actually witnessing are the micromechanics to price movement. Kind of like the cylinder strokes on an engine. Back to 84.88, we're looking for 84.87. There you go, 84.87 is reached. We're looking for 84.86. It's at 84.87. It should drop just slightly more to 84.86. It's slightly stagnant, but the gears are going to go to 84.86. Wants to go back up a little bit. It's going to drop to 84.86. It's at 84.89. We're looking for 84.86. And another reminder, folks, this could be done all day. Imagine the economic potential here that you can follow your own commodity minute by the minute. It's at 84.89. It needs to drop to 84.86. It's at 84.88. Needs to drop slightly a little bit more. We're at 84.87 so far. We're looking for 84.86. This will drop further. I just won't disclose where. I can see I have already calculated its structural path. You just can't see it, but I can. So it's stagnant at 84.88. It needs to drop down to 84.86. Wants to expand between 84.91. It's at 89 now. So that is the web that we're playing with here. It's between 84.91 and 84.86. There you go, 84.90. I just expressed to you the parameters. This tool of mine is quite exhausting. As you can see, I'm only one person. This can be greatly simplified. And efficiently applied. Imagine this working on 8,500 to 10,000 stocks worldwide, and this working for you on a classified platform. So it's at 84.88. It should be dropping to 84.87. There you go. 84.87 is reached. It should be reaching 84.86. see this drop further soon. There you go, 84.86 is reached. It's going to drop to 84.85 now. I've got my numbers all lined up. There you go, 0.85. 84.85 is reached. There you go. It dropped exactly to where I've calculated. Just want to see if 83 was reached, as I didn't mention it to you, but yeah. Okay. Following along just fine. I'll go to 82, 84.82. As I told you, in this area is going to drop even further. It did. I just didn't want to disclose to you where. So we're looking for 84.82. It's at 83 now. There you go, 84.82 was reached. Should drop slightly a little bit more to 84.81 now. 84.82 we're at. We're looking for 84.81. Sure if that 84.81, not yet. We're looking for 84.81. And for those that can't believe their eyes, they better rinse their eyes, because this can be done all day. And if you don't like to believe it, you better start believing it, because this is true. This is real, and this is true, the power behind what I know. It's playing between 82 and 83 right now. There you go, 84.81 is reached, as you can see right here by the horizontal line. It's at 84.81. We're looking for 84.80. This should drop to 84.80. There you go. It just did. It dropped to 84.80. What you were actually witnessing, the supply and demand in the makings. And again, a reminder, if you don't believe what you're seeing, well, to get a fresh pair of eyes and understand that this is reality, this is real. 84.80 is reached. And what you are actually eyewitnessing is the mechanics behind monetary movement as a result of my functional analysis. As part of my analysis is functional analysis. It's a combination of many pure elements per se. We're at 21 minutes so far, and I've been 100% accurate. And again, it doesn't matter what time of day we do this, what time of year we do this, or what instrument we use. We're at 84.84, we're looking for 84.83. This is going to compress again. It's at 84.85. It's at 87. We're looking for 84.87. There you go, 84.87 is reached. This will continue to climb slightly. Looking for 84.88. There you go, 84.88 is reached. It will continue to go 84.91 again. See if the 90 level was reached. We're only at 89. It'll work its way back up again. It's expansion. 85 was reached. Wants to go back down to 84. We're at 84.85. We're looking for 84.84. For that 84.90, 90.91 it should be reaching soon. Should be climbing higher than 90.91. I'm not going to tell you where. There you go, 84.90 has been reached. Should be going a little bit higher now. Just want to see what the top of that is. 91 is also reached, 90.91, there you go. Just as I've mentioned it to you. I told you so. So the famous words that have come out of my discovery is, where are we going, Johnny? You gotta be asking, where are we going, Johnny? Higher than 91, Johnny. clustering at 84.89. Looking for 84.88. Is already reached. There you have it. 84.92 has also been reached. I told you that as well. And I mentioned that over here is going to go higher than this straight. I began to slowly disclose it for you. Told you 0.90, 0.91, I even told you 92, I went to 93. We're looking for 84.89 now. It should be dropping. Continue to go higher. We're looking for 84.95. Looking for 84.95. No, it only went to 84.94. It's going to go to 84.95. Reaching this level up here as my cursor is circulating here. Reached 0.94, should be going to 84.95. So far we've got 34 minutes and 7 seconds of the recording. There you go, 84.89 is reached. I mentioned that as well. Should be going to 84.88. Slightly more, there you go, 84.88 is reached. Should drop slightly more. We're at 84.88, we're looking for 84.87. There you go, 84.88 is reached. 84.85. 84.85. Where are we going, Johnny? Where are we going? Where are we going, John? We're looking for 84.85. And I'm going to trademark these famous words of mine. Where are we going, Johnny? We're at 84.86. Here you go, 84.85 has been reached. Drop slightly a little bit more. There you go. I was going to tell you 84.83, it went to 84.82. I am getting tired. And the difference between me and you is I know what's going on here. I have the underpinnings, so I don't need to really announce every little move. I want you to take a look at the major calculations that I give you, and for you to see that they are reached. It'll work its way back up again. The playing field has tightened up a little bit, that's okay. We're looking for 84.86. It will continue to climb. It already did it should drop right here to 84.86. You're going to see this candlestick drop. Watch my cursor. Just watch my cursor, everybody. We're looking for 84.86. Look at this candlestick. We're gonna there you go. 84.84. It blew through 84.86. Just gonna move my cursor over. Wants to drop slightly a little bit more to 84.83 now. Just want to make sure if that's already reached. 84.83 is already reached. It's okay. It wants to drop a little bit more to 84.82. There you go. 84.82 has been captured. Ask me, where are we going, Johnny? Wants to go 84.80. It's at 84.81. It should drop to 84.80. Right here. We're looking for a drop right here. Either this candlestick or the next one is going to be compressing to 84.80. And let's see, it might even blow through that. So ladies and gentlemen, there you go, 84.80 is reached. Stoop even closer to your monitor. I witness my workings. This is economic gunpowder in the making. That's what I like to call it, economic gunpowder. It's going to drop even further. There you go, 84.79. Climb back up. Try to understand I'm being ambiguous as to giving you most of my calculations, 99% of my calculations, but I also am withholding some information as well. I'm having fun at this. What do you think? I think you're going to ask me, where are we going, Johnny? I should be climbing. Just like I told you, climbed a little bit. I will continue to climb. There you go. Go back down to 82 for now. 84.82. I'm getting tired. You should see this candlestick come down to 82 in this level, or the next one. And we can do this with corn, we can do this with sugar, we can do this with metal, we can do this with gold. We can do this with every single American stock if you'd like. We can do this with all the exchanges. We can do this with all the indices. There you go. 84.82 has been reached. Should drop slightly a little bit more. 81, 84.80, 84.81. There you go, 84.81 is reached. And gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, this is just me and one computer, one monitor, one mind. At its work, it should drop a little bit more. There you go, it should reach 180. Either this candlestick or the next one. Going, Johnny, there you go, 84.80. Compress a little bit more. Pressing either this candlestick or the next one down here, I anticipate. reach 79 as I mentioned. No, not yet. Should. It's got to do it. We're looking for 84.79. So far what you have witnessed is all the calculations from here, this whole area. .99999%. All of this has been visually cued for you, and for you to see the mechanics behind price movement. We're looking for 84.79. It did climb a little bit, don't worry. It's going to go back down to 84.81. It's at 82 now. 84.82. We're looking for 84.81. Should drop to 84.79. There you go, folks. 84.81 has been reached. Looking for 84.79. Wants to go up a little bit. Oh, there we go. It just did. This instrument should be compressing again to 84.81. There we go, it went up a little bit. Climb a little bit. Looks like it wants to climb back up to 84.85, 86. Let's go for 84.86. How about that? Where are we going, Johnny? There you go, 84.85. We're looking for 84.86. So we're looking for 79, 86, and 95. Going to compress. We're at 84.84. Where are we going, Johnny? This is my favorite line. We use as quite the marketing scheme. little stagnant. I hope you are still stooped in front of your monitor and watch my workings. And what you are witnessing is wishful thinking on the most part of society on a global scale. You're actually eyewitnessing the inner workings of monetary movement as a result of my 12 years of hard work. It should be expanding a little bit. It's at 84.84. There you go. Getting a little tired here. Told you it's going to expand, and it has. Looking for 84.84. It's at 86. Looks like it wants to reach the 84.95 level. Where are we going, Johnny? We're looking for 84.90 right now. It's 84.88. A little bit more. Where are we going, Johnny? We reached 84.90. Looks like it wants to climb even further. And what we're looking for is 84.95 to 96. We're at 84.91. And I told you, and I announced over here that it was going to go to 84.95. So far, you can see this move is formulating itself to go there. Just sit back and enjoy it. And enjoy what Johnny is telling you. Calculating for you. can see this has nothing to do with trading. As a result, it does have to do with trading, but this is not what I am showing you here. I am showing you the mechanics behind price movement. This is economic intelligence beyond anybody's dream. As you can see, just want to make sure, did it reach the 95 level? 94 again. It's okay. We're going to get there. What you have eyewitnessed is all this field being calculated for you. Wants to drop a little bit more. We'll go to 89. It did. Tell you what, it wants to drop, it wants to compress again. Johnny 85, we're going to 84.85. This will compress slightly, a little bit more to 84.85. We're at 84.86. You're going to see this candlestick drop to 84.85. or the next one. There you go, 84.85 has been reached. It's going to drop to 84.84 or the next one. We're looking for 84.84, either on this candlestick or the next one. There you go, 84.84 has been reached. Where are we going, Johnny? 82. Okay, there we go. We just got it. 84.82, 81. As you can see, there you go. This was the missing gear. We said it was going to go to 79. Remember that? There you go. 84.79 has been reached. It was calculated over here, and it touched it over here twice, and I calculated it again over here. Now we're looking for the 95 range. We're shy by 1. Now it's on a compression mode. So continue to drop a little bit. So whether you are a corporation or a private institution, whether it's public or not, whether you're a financial institution or whether you're a U.S. Central banking system, brick and mortar, doesn't really matter. What you are all witnessing is my work. And my work is efficiently but surely beginning to be known abroad. The wheel is starting to turn, as my primary goal is to let the world know of my finding. And I hope you enjoy viewing my work. Spread the kind word of it. Wants to slightly compress again. extension mode now. Go to 84.86 now. 84.85 is reached. We're looking for 84.86. Recording so far for an hour and 8 minutes, everyone. There you go, 84.81 was reached. Has been reached. And I calculated that 3 to 4 candlesticks beforehand. This is all clustery behavior. To me, it's just nonsense. It's going to be dropping slightly more. It's going to compress. There you go, 84.79. Should be dropping more. Should be compressing slightly more. I've got it going 84.78. It's either this candlestick or the next one. Where are we going, Johnny? Looking for 84.78. It's momentarily expanding. That's okay. wants to compress slightly. Got all my numbers here. Where are we going, Johnny? You and I witness it with this candlestick or the next one? There you go, 84.81 has been reached. Should be compressing. With this candlestick or the next one. There you have it, 84.79. So compress some more. I'm going to tell you where. To 74. Should be compressing to 74. Actually 84.73 it should be going to. It'll either be this candlestick or the next one. should see some expansion in this level here. It should be dropping to the 74, 73. Should be dropping down here where you see my cursor. There you go, it did this light expansion as I told you. Start seeing it expand again soon. But we're looking for 84.74 to 73-ish. Or as low as 84.75 should be compressing to that, and that should also expand to the 80-ish level. Begin to see it unfurl and compress soon. And when it reaches 84.73 or 74, will stop there, discontinue the recording. That's enough for you. We've covered a lot of material here. I don't think I have to scroll back to see the whole calculating field that I have provided for you. So we're at 84.76. We're looking for 84.75, and it will compress slightly further to 84.73. Again, as a reminder, we can do this 24 hours a day, as many days as you like. There you go, there's 84.74 where my cursor was placed. I think that's enough for now. I begin to feel a little bit insecure as to how much I disclose, but again, I'd like to thank you, and I hope you enjoy my work and respect my work. And I think I just reached, as we were speaking, 73. Yes, we have. So there you go. It reached my target as well, both targets. Anyhow, thank you. And I think I'm gonna play around with some bank stocks tomorrow. I don't know. It depends how I feel. Thank you, and spread the kind word. Bye for now.